Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I uploaded a video, but I can explain. So I just recently got back from my trip to Mexico. I went with my family to spend the holidays with my family over there and also to visit my grandma and grandpa and all of that good stuff. So I'm finally back. I do apologize for not uploading a video, but I hope you guys can forgive me. For today's video, I wanted to quickly share with you some mail I received while I was gone from my pen pal. So she sent everything in this really pretty polka dot box, which I love so much. And yeah, I'm just gonna go through it all and share with you what she sent. So here she die cutted out some little ballerinas, and I don't have a die like this, so I'm really appreciative of that. But yeah, look how cute it is. She used a bunch of different colored paper. So yeah, that's super cute. And she made this super cute card, a little shaker, and it has her letter and some questions. Look how cute she decorated this box. I love the different layers of flowers here. And yeah, that says smile. In here we have a bunch of die cuts as well. But yeah, everything is paper pieced together. Super adorable. It's got a bunch of different images here. I really love this die right here. It's super cute. And in here we have some trim. This is really pretty. I don't have any silver trim. And then I love this because it's wired. That always makes it easier to use. And isn't that color really pretty? She created some of these paper bows, and I don't have that die either, which, yeah, I love this. These are super adorable as well, and I feel like it's perfect for some Christmas mail. In here, she gifted me these Amy Tangerine tags. I love how they're stitching on some of the tags. And then we got some adhesive gems. Guys, I fell in love with this right here. She made me an embellishment box and she decorated it all pretty. That says happy heart. And yeah, just let's admire this packaging really quick. Super pretty. And inside she has a bunch of goodies. Look at this pretty tassel. And then I thought these are really cute. There's this unicorn charm. Sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I'm sick again. We got these pretty charms as well. Ooh. She gave me some of these flowers right here. And this is almost like a faux material. I think that's pretty cool. Ooh, I love these ones. These ones are really pretty. So that's what's in there. And what's cool about this embellishment box is that you can flip it over and there's even some more goodies in here. She gave me some of these pens. I love the design. And then we got some more nice little die cuts. She has a bunch of dies and a lot that I don't have, so thank you so much, girly, for sending me some. And then we have some like tickets. I love tickets. Some buttons here, and I thought this was like the cutest little idea, which were these little airplanes here, paper airplanes. And then there's more in here, you guys. I'm definitely going to be reusing this little baggie right here. And look how cute this charm is. That's just super adorable. And then how cute is this? I'm about to put this up on my tree. It's a little cotton candy ornament. Super, super, super adorable. And one of my favorite things that she gave me was these little popcorn boxes. These are just so adorable. You have to let me know where you got this die. I think it's just super cute. But yeah, that says popcorn. How cute. I absolutely love these. And then we got this right here. Love how she packaged that. She's super generous. She sent me a lot of the Maggie Holmes journaling cards, and I absolutely love this collection. I think it's from the Bloom collection. And again, I don't have this. Thank you so much. One more thing inside here. She sent me this washi tape, and I don't have this. It's super cute. I love swans, so I think that's just so nice of her to send me this. So thank you so much. That was everything she sent me. I just wanted to come on here and quickly share with you all of the goodies, and yeah, I will link her information down below, and please check her out and follow her on Instagram. So that's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.